Charles Darwin. Charles Darwin is primarily known as the architect of the theory of evolution by natural selection, with the publication of The Origin of Species in 1859. He advanced the view of the development of life on Earth and properties shaped nearly all biological math, philosophical thought, which follows. And let's proceed to our main topic. It's all about the evolution and the two types of evolution. Before we proceed to the two types of evolution, let's first know what evolution is. Evolution is a change in the characteristic of species several generations and relies on the process of natural selection. In the evolutionary function, is the reason some object or process occurred in a system that evolved through natural selection. That reason is typically that it achieves some result, such as the chlorophyll, helps to capture the energy of sunlight in photosynthesis. Evolution is a process result in changes in the genetic material population over time. Evolution reflects the adaptation of organisms to their changing environments and can result in alternate traits, novel traits, and new species. And let's proceed the advantage and disadvantage of evolution. The advantage of evolution is show how species have developed and how they are connected to one another. The various forms of life are also covered by evolution, along with the population dynamics and the emergence of new life forms. And the disadvantage of evolution is evolution can lead on the certain species that can unable to adapt to changing environment of the compete by other species. And now let's move on about evolution and let's talk about the two types of evolution. The two types of evolution is divergent and convergent evolution. So first, I want you to know what is divergent evolution. Divergent evolution is commonly defined as what occurs when two groups of the same species evolve different traits within those groups in order to accommodate for different environmental and social pressures. Divergent evolution occurs when a subgroup of species evolve traits different from its ancestor. The trait usually sprung from selective pressures. Such pressure drive natural selection and compel organisms to evolve. Selective pressure may be biotic or abiotic. Divergent evolution is evolutionary branching occurs in response to selective pressure like changes biotic, for example, species environmental, and abiotic factors, environmental factors like climate, nutrient status, physical structure, and divergence, which natural selection. And in divergent evolution, two or more insect species, as shown by ancestors, from which they are diverged. A common example is elephant and woolly mammoth. They are a shared ancestor and yet evolved into different species. And that's all. Thank you.